Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to change the frequency on our LiftMaster Compatible 3-button remotes. This remote can operate any LiftMaster operator since 1996. So in all of the boxes you're going to find the manual, and it's very easy. All you have to do is press and hold the first two buttons until the LED flashes quickly, and then within 3 seconds start to change the mode. So it comes already with the Security Plus 2.0, which is the latest system for LiftMaster, and then if you press 2 times it's gonna change it to 315, 390 Security Plus, and then 390 billion code or green button, orange or purple button. So I'm going to show you how to change to the 315 megahertz. So as it says, it's very simple, but we have to do it pretty quickly. So we hold the first 2 buttons, flashes 1, 2, 1, 2. The second button is now 315 megahertz. Then we can do for the third button and do 3 presses for the 390 Security Plus system. Same thing, wait for the flash, let it go, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And your remote is now ready for 3 different modes on each button.